Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to help you decide which wine chillers to buy today. As always, don't worry about taking any notes. All the links for the products we mentioned are in the description below. When you start having trouble fitting groceries in between the piled bottles in your refrigerator, you know you're a wine lover in need of a wine chiller. If you're going into serious wine collection and don't have access to a cool, dry cellar for long-term storage, a wine chiller is a good investment. The problem with buying a professional wine fridge is that they aren't cheap. You won't be able to test out all its intricate functions and features when you shop online. When you spend a lot of money on new household equipment, you want to be sure it works, and that it's the ideal choice for you. In this video, we've compiled a list of the best wine chillers on the market today to help you in finding the appropriate one for your needs. The team has prepared this list for you through comprehensive research. The wine chillers that have been selected have been chosen based on product features, reviews in the marketplace, quality of finish and price, and where possible, we have been mindful of the different types of buyers. We do suggest you stick around until the end to see who wins the #1 position in our list. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Remember, you can find the options to our list in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. The wine chiller coming in at number 5 in our list is the Vacu Vin Rapid Wine Cooler. In under 10 minutes, the Vacu Vin Rapid Wine Cooler can transform a bottle of white wine from cellar temperature to ready to drink. This cylinder of refreezable ice packs wraps around your bottle and swiftly chills it. The beer bottle variant not only reduces the pack size to 12 ounces, but also features frothy beer imagery on the outside to get you in the mood. It also takes up little space in the freezer because of its design, which allows it to fold flat. When placed in the freezer for 6 hours or longer, the cooling element expands into 6 pockets of a specially made non-toxic gel. Our team recommends storing the cooling element flat in the freezer so it's always ready to use. Our team would like to make mention that the rapid ice sleeve is put into the rigid outer shell via its removable base after being removed. The contents of the wine bottle will be chilled in 5 minutes once it's placed into the outer shell and in contact with the cooling device. The wine will then stay cold for several hours, while the chilling sleeve's several polyester foil layers and foam pouches ensure that the temperature is maintained. This chiller is portable and lightweight, making it ideal for use at parties, picnics, barbecues, vacations, and more. Your bottle will not get wet and the label will remain intact because the cooler operates without the use of ice. The Vacu Vin Rapid Wine Cooler stands out for its high quality and unique features. Despite its lower price point, this chiller provided us with a brilliant drinking experience, which makes this product a worthwhile purchase. As a result, we rank this product 5th in our list. The wine chiller coming in at number 4 in our list is the Wine Enthusiast Wine Chiller. Wine Enthusiast's double-walled iceless wine bottle chiller has acrylic thermally insulated walls with stainless steel trim. The chiller's exterior doesn't sweat, making it a more appealing container for your red or white wine and preventing a ring of water from forming on your dinner table. There's no need to clean the iceless wine chiller, and it's simple to store thanks to its slim profile. Even when used outside on a hot summer day, this iceless chiller protects your wine from the outdoors and keeps it at the perfect temperature for sharing with friends or family. Our team would like to highlight that its double wall design helps keep warmth out by creating 2 barriers and a temperature buffer zone between them. Even without ice, the double-walled wine cooler can keep your pre-chilled beverage cold for up to 3 hours. Ice can be placed in the bottom of the chiller before the wine bottle is inserted for those who prefer their wine exceptionally cold. This is completely optional, but it can help keep certain bottles even colder, such as white wine. The chiller's inner diameter is 3.75 inches, making it easy to suit most bottles. Its elegant design adds panache and class to any occasion. It's worth noting that it has plastic see-through walls, which allow you to view the label of your wine bottle while it sits within. Guests will be able to read the label without having to remove the bottle from its insulation, which is a significant advantage over opaque wine bottle chillers. This Wine Enthusiast wine chiller is built of high-quality materials and is very durable. It has a simple design that's sturdy and long-lasting. As a result, it has ranked 4th in our list. The wine chiller coming in at number 3 in our list is the Creuset Wine Cooler Sleeve. The Creuset Wine Cooler Sleeve is made of piece-resistant nylon and comes with 2 inner gel packs to provide an insulated, personalized chilling solution for a variety of wines, sparkling wines, champagnes, and other bottled beverages. The sleeve has elastic bands and an adjustable collar to allow it to fit tightly around standard-sized bottles. In addition, its tapered top ensures maximum contact with the bottle for thorough cooling. The sleeve is also lightweight and compact, requiring no bulky electrical wires, making it easy to move to the cabin, poolside, or beach. Furthermore, the unit can keep cold bottles chilled and room temperature bottles from overheating when served outside during the summer months. Our team would like to highlight that it's also designed to chill wine on the road and keeps it at the perfect temperature for picnics and outdoor dining. Place the sleeve in the freezer to activate the cooling gel, then slip in a bottle for over 90 minutes for wonderfully chilled wine. Within 30 minutes, the sophisticated inner gel not only insulates, but also cools the wine to serving temperature. Our team would like to make mention that this multi-purpose gadget features a foldable foil cutter blade and a built-in bottle opener. The sleek two-step design provides maximum leverage when removing corks, and the coated stainless steel screw easily slips into any cork, natural or synthetic. The Le Creuset wine cooler sleeve is very stylish and practical. It's an excellent addition to any outdoor party. With this, you can perfectly chill your next glass of wine, whether it's for a picnic or a quiet Sunday afternoon in the sun. For that, we placed it at the number 3 in our list. The wine chiller coming in at number 2 on our list is the Huski wine cooler. The Huski wine cooler is made to look like it's part of the bottle. It has a vacuum-insulated, double-walled stainless steel shell with a flexi-fit gasket and thread system that fits most standard wine and champagne bottles. It works right out of the box, so all you have to do is grab a cold bottle from the fridge, pop it in your Huski, and tighten the top. This cooler keeps your wine refrigerated for up to 6 hours without the need for ice. Whether you're at home, on the grill, on the boat, or anywhere in between, the Huski wine cooler keeps your wine at the ideal temperature for hours. That means you can spend more time with your friends and less time worrying about keeping your drinks cool. Brushed stainless and rosé brushed stainless steel, as well as powder-coated matte white and black, are all available color options. Our team would like to highlight that Huski wine coolers are precision engineered and made with high-grade stainless steel. It fits most 750 milliliters of wine and traditional champagne bottles, including Mott, Veuve Clicquot, G.H. Mumm, Laurent Perrier, Taittinger, Lanson, and others, thanks to its adjustable height. The Huski wine cooler is designed with elegance, quality, and functionality in mind. This has been a fantastic addition to any patio dinner parties, and you will undoubtedly use it on many future vacations. It keeps your wine cool and eliminates the need to go back and forth to the refrigerator for a refill. As a result, this product deserves to be ranked second in our list. And finally, we come to the number 1 wine chiller in our list, the Cooper Cooler Rapid Wine Chiller. This cooler is currently the quickest appliance or method for chilling beverages. It's 40 times faster than a freezer to cool a can and 10 times faster to chill a wine bottle. This chiller has a chill-on-demand feature, which is handy for chilling beverages and wines as quickly as possible to the right serving temperature. It's also ideal for parties, unexpected visitors, or when you don't have a lot of fridge space. Our team would like to highlight that this chiller can constantly cool beverages to a precise degree without affecting the taste or carbonation of the beverage. It can cool your drinks to ice-cold temperatures of up to 33 degrees Fahrenheit without overfrosting or exploding your fizzy beverages. With that, you won't have to deal with any nasty cleanups. It's worth noting that this chiller can cool practically any single-serve beverage in aluminum, glass, or plastic containers. It's the most versatile out of all the chillers in our list, allowing you to quickly chill a wide variety of beverages. Measuring approximately 16 by 10.5 by 8 inches, this model comes in a contemporary brushed chrome finish, plugs into any 120-volt outlet, and is covered by a 1-year warranty against defects at the time of making this video. The Cooper Cooler Rapid Wine Chiller is a simple device made of low-cost, non-toxic materials that still prove to be extremely long-lasting. We can't deny the fact that this product deserves to be at the top of our list because of its quick setup time or procedure and ease of maintenance. And there you have it, folks, the 5 wine chillers which got our team at In the Kitchen excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next wine chiller roundup which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to look it over for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.